Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be installing door speakers into a 2005 Scion TC. As y'all know, these things have rivets in them, so you cannot just unscrew the speakers. So what you're going to have to do is, instead of buying your own brackets and stuff, I'm going to show you how to do it without doing all that. Okay? Alright, so first off, there's a screw here, a screw down here, and a screw down here. You're going to want to take those out. Alright. There's one. These are just Phillips head screws, so don't worry about needing any special nut or anything. Socket or wrench. Alright, that one's loose. So what you're going to do is, there's a bunch of clips all over these doors. So just work your fingers up inside of here. Actually, I forgot this part. You gotta take these off. Pop them off. Clip. Work your fingers up in here. And just pop them all out. And then you got that bitch of a clip down here. Just try to turn it sideways and get a flat head. And push down to the side of here and push your way up. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Right down here, there's a clip. And if you can get your flathead, you can just work it right up in there. And pull that out. That should follow. Alright. Set your door panel to the side. And here's your speaker, which looks like the guy tried to replace them already. Mine actually have Phillips head, but these stock door speakers suck. I'm talking about absolutely suck. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna rip this whole entire thing out. And then just get some pliers and break each and every individual one of these. And once you do that, you'll be able to pull this middle piece out. And whenever you pull the middle piece out, you can actually set your speaker up inside of there and then drill it in. You don't really have to pre-drill, but it might keep it from cracking. Keep all this seal around here so it doesn't vibrate. So then whenever you put it up there, you just put it up there and you drill it in and you screw it in. Alright guys, hope that was helpful. Alright, it's Taylor.